Today, we are going to have an overview of what are the spices of India. Basically, spices are those plants that are being used for aroma, taste, smell in the cookery, as well as the spices also happen to have a therapeutic uses. We will have a look of some of the spices that are used in our country. Our country has a spice board that looks into the various spices that are used, their identification, and they do have all the information that is required for a common person to be known about this. One has to be very careful about the spice so that one can know about the authenticity of the species. For example, here we have cinnamon. So you usually use cinnamon xylanicum or cinnamon tamalam. But you do have, and this cinnamon tamalam is used as dalchini, and it has several uses along with the cookery uh, to avoid the bad breath, helps in the gut health, and also in the diabetes. This is some of the common uses. And you do have cinnamon cassia, which comes as an adulterant. So one has to be very careful when you're looking at the cinnamon. Another important is a Lauraceae member, and this is our clove. Now, clove is also known in common language as a log. This is used as a spice or a masala in a cookery, as well as it is used as a mouth freshener, and it has a very good property of reducing the toothache, and it is also used in sore gums, fever, digestive, and in respiratory problems. Especially these are flower buds. We do have the cloves where the spent cloves are being sold in the market, where the essential oils are all extracted. So one has to be careful when you are purchasing or using the clove. Another is coriander, that is Coriander sativa, which is commonly known as dhania. This is largely used as a coolant, and it has a property of digestive problem solving capacity. It is also used in a respiratory disease. Another very commonly seen in our house is the cumin seeds or zira. Now, zira is a very good digestive, and it is also used as one of the source of our nutrient, that is iron, that is required by our body, and it also helps us to keep our immune system healthy. Another APSC member is our ajwain, that is Trachispermum family. This is used as antiseptic, preservative, and has a very good effect on our gut ailments. Nutmeg is usually obtained from Myristica fragrans. Now, this is basically a tree that is found in Myristica swamps. Now, this part that is used is actually the uh, coat that is found on the seed. So, seed is also used especially for the small children, and the layer that you're seeing on the seed, that is actually used for cooking and as well as for a lot of uh, health issues. Another, which every household knows, is about black pepper. Now, black pepper has several adulterants such as papaya seeds, we do have Mirabilis jalapa seeds. So imagine when you are buying a very, very common spice, you have to also have the identification skill. Now, pepper is very, very important. It is used for the gut health as also in the respiratory related uh, issues. One other spice that we will see is star anise. It gets its name because of the shape that it has. We do have star anise. It is imported to the country largely, and this is used in cooking as well as in the issues of rheumatism, digestion, and it is also giving a good smell for us. So this helps us to understand that the spices are not only used for cooking but also have the therapeutic use. And India is a country which has a lot of spices that have been used, cultivated, and used in our uh, residence for our good health and good cooking. Thank you.